Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how to manage orders in Grigora. Let's understand how to navigate this step by step. First, head over to your Grigora site dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Commerce, and then select Orders. Once you open the Orders page, you will see a quick overview of your store's performance at the top. This section displays key metrics including your number of active products, total orders, total revenue, and total deliveries. Right below that summary, you will find a detailed list of all your individual orders. This table displays essential information for each transaction, including the order ID, customer name, product name, payment status, delivery status, total amount, and the date of the order. You can also easily manage these orders directly from this screen. By clicking on the Actions menu next to a specific order, you can update its status, such as marking the order as shipped, issuing a refund, or marking it as delivered. And that's how you efficiently track and manage your store's orders in Grigora. See you in the next one.